Thanksgiving Day. History, traditions, and the joy of giving thanks together. Imagine sitting at a big table. You can smell the roasted turkey. There's a pumpkin pie in the middle, and your whole family is gathered around you. Everyone is smiling, grateful simply to be together. Each person says what they are thankful for: home, family, health, friends, or sometimes just the sunshine outside. That's what Thanksgiving is all about. One of the most important holidays in the United States, filled with warmth, food, and gratitude. But where did it come from? Listen. The beginning of the story. A long time ago, in 1620, a group of people called the Puritans decided to leave England. They were searching for a place where they could live peacefully and practice their religion freely. So they boarded a ship named the Mayflower and set out on a long journey across the ocean. The voyage lasted 2 months and was extremely difficult. Strong winds shook the ship, waves crashed against the sides, and their food supplies were running out. When they finally reached the new land, today's America, they were exhausted, hungry, and freezing. The winter was cold and long. The settlers had no time to build proper houses or gather enough food. Many became ill, and some did not survive the winter. Only 50 people survived. Those who did were worried they wouldn't make it in this new world. Meeting the Native Americans. And that wasn't the end of their problems. Imagine arriving in a completely unfamiliar land. Would you be welcomed? Not necessarily. The Europeans were afraid of the Native Americans, the original inhabitants of America. They knew that earlier expeditions often ended badly because the natives defended their land. But this time, fortune smiled upon them. A tribe called the Wampanoag lived not far from the settlement. Their chief carefully watched the newcomers. He noticed that they had brought women and children, something people didn't do if they came to fight. The Native Americans understood that these settlers didn't want war. They simply wanted to survive. They also saw how hard the Pilgrims were trying, planting, hunting, attempting to farm, though not very successfully. So they decided to help them. The agreement was simple. The Native Americans would teach the Europeans how to grow crops and raise animals in this unfamiliar land. In return, they asked for help in case of danger and support in trade. This was the first cooperation between two completely different nations. The Native Americans also hoped the English, coming from a powerful country, would help them trade with other tribes. Thanks to this friendship, the settlers learned how to survive. When autumn came, the fields were full of crops, and that's when they decided to celebrate. The first Thanksgiving. In the fall of 1621, they held a great feast. It was the first shared meal of the settlers and the Native Americans, and it lasted several days. 90 Wampanoag people came. Everyone ate, laughed, danced, and gave thanks for friendship, for food, for life. And this is how Thanksgiving was born, a day of gratitude and peace between people. How do Americans celebrate today? On today, Thanksgiving is one of the most important holidays in the United States. It's celebrated on the fourth Thursday of November. It's not a religious holiday. People of all cultures and beliefs take part in it. On this day, whole families gather around the table. For some, it's the only time of the year they can all be together, because many live in different cities or even different states. Before eating, everyone takes a moment to say what they are thankful for. Some give thanks for their family, others for their health, and others simply for being together. It's a holiday full of joy, smiles, and togetherness. Parades, gratitude, and shopping. In many cities, especially in New York, the Great Thanksgiving Parade takes place. Colorful floats roll down the streets, marching bands perform, and enormous balloons shaped like cartoon characters float above the crowd. It's one of the happiest events of the whole year, and the next day is Black Friday, day of huge sales. People rush to stores to buy Christmas presents. That's why Thanksgiving is considered the beginning of the holiday season. The flavors and drinks of Thanksgiving. When families finally sit down to eat, a real feast begins, full of traditional flavors. You see, the most important dish is the large roasted turkey, the symbol of Thanksgiving. It's cooked for many hours until it becomes golden and juicy. It's served with creamy mashed potatoes and warm gravy, which everyone generously pours over their plate. There's also sweet and tart cranberry sauce that gives the meal its special taste. Corn, green beans, crispy vegetables, and sweet potatoes, often baked with honey or even marshmallows, also appear on the table. After the feast comes dessert, famous pumpkin pie scented with cinnamon and nutmeg, and pecan pie, sweet and crunchy. These two flavors are deeply connected with this special day for many Americans. What does Thanksgiving symbolize? This holiday carries a beautiful message: gratitude, friendship, and unity. It teaches that even if we come from different countries and cultures, we can understand one another, work together, and help each other. Just like the Pilgrims and the Native Americans long ago, for Americans, it's a day that reminds them how important family, helping others, kindness, and peace truly are. In many schools, children prepare plays about the first Thanksgiving. Some dress up as Native Americans, others as settlers. They also make paper turkeys, draw pumpkins, and write down what they are thankful for. It began with people who, despite hardships, learned to cooperate and help one another. Today, it is a day when Americans give thanks for everything they have: family, food, home, and time together. It's a beautiful lesson for all of us, because gratitude knows no borders or languages. It's also a moment to reflect on how small acts of kindness can make our lives brighter. And let this holiday remind us that gratitude is something we can share every single day, not just once a year. Thank you so much for watching this video. It truly means a lot. I hope this Thanksgiving brings you plenty of warmth, joy, and meaningful moments with the people who matter most. May your home be filled with laughter, your table with good food, and your heart with gratitude for all the big and small blessings in your life. Wishing you a beautiful, peaceful, and memorable Thanksgiving. And if you enjoyed the video, I'd be truly thankful if you considered subscribing.